The route along the river is one of my favorite biking routes in Warsaw. It's beautiful and you see a lot of activity and a natural harmony. It might seem a bit raw and unfinished, but the Vistula River is a wild river and the delta is a buffer zone towards the city when the river rises. Along the riverbank, the water tram is on its way to the stopping place. Some atmosphere at the beach and the Mastodon Stadium right in front of us. A Euro city on the way from the east. Fantastic sceneries. And a lot of party, jazz and sausages. At the Praga Bank, we find small sand beaches everywhere. And live music. And here's a goods train. And below a tramp crossing.